Your paycheck is a trap. I know. This video is going to cause so much controversy and I'm ready to hear it because I already know. I literally used to be broke, bankrupt, and living in my parents' basement, and today I'm a multimillionaire. I know that quitting your job is mandatory to building wealth. And I know that you are sacrificing the best years of your life right now working for someone else. I'm going to break down the numbers for you. I'm going to show you the math, and I'm going to show you why it's much easier than you think to have a successful business. I'm going to show you all of it right now. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
So let's get right into this. Like I said, I used to be broke, bankrupt, and living in a basement. So I know that working a corporate job can lead you to financial ruin. I literally was in my parents' basement, and I literally before that had a great corporate job. I am now an entrepreneur, and I left corporate America because I know that this is how I can create wealth. But I was not a believer. But before I get into that, I want to invite you to the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp. Get your tickets at growyourwealthbootcamp.com right now. I want to teach you how to grow your wealth because most people just do not know, and they're going to be stuck in the middle class. So go right now and use code FINAL50 to save 50% off of tickets. If you are watching this before August 15th, go to growyourwealthbootcamp.com right now and get your tickets. All right, let me get into this. The first thing that you need to know is that your paycheck is a trap. You got to stop sacrificing the best years of your life, trading your valuable hours for a predictable, flat paycheck that will never make you rich. So if you're sitting there right now thinking that your 9-to-5 job is the safest, most secure way to provide for your family, you are buying into a massive economic lie that will keep you trapped in the middle class. If you rely on a single employer who can downsize you, replace you with artificial intelligence, or restructure you out of your job at a moment's notice, this isn't security. It's financial vulnerability. Let's quickly compare the two. W-2 versus CEO. The W-2 employee has a capped income ceiling. Your monthly earnings are fixed and dictated by corporate salary bands. With the CEO framework, your income is uncapped. Your revenue matches the scale of the economic problems that your business solves. Tax liability. With the W-2 employee, you are paying the highest tax liability. W-2 earners are aggressively taxed upfront with zero write-off flexibility. But the corporate tax protection, you have legal business entities paying taxes only after deducting operational costs. Time. As a W-2 employee, you are trading your time for dollars. Your income instantly ceases the moment you stop physically performing your labor. But with the CEO framework, you have evergreen asset leverage. Your systems and your real estate generate passive cash flow around the clock. Look at that contrast. The very first benefit of breaking free from a traditional job is uncapped income potential. As an employee, no matter how early you show up, how late you stay, or how hard you work, your income is entirely restricted by a predetermined salary limit. You are essentially volunteering your highest producing hours to maximize someone else's profit margins. But when you step into that CEO seat, your income potential is unlimited. The second massive benefit is tax mastery. W-2 employees pay the absolute highest taxes in the country because Uncle Sam takes his cut directly out of your paycheck before it ever hits your bank account. But when you form an LLC, the legal framework completely flips. Your business is allowed to earn revenue, spend money on legitimate operations like your cell phone, your vehicle, your internet, your travel, and then you are only taxed on what is left. Okay, so let me be clear. I did not just wake up one day as a multi-million-dollar real estate mogul. For years, I did exactly what society told me to do. I went to college, got my degrees, and climbed the corporate ladder in banking. I made massive sacrifices. I worked brutal hours, and I even relocated my family across the country several times just to secure high-paying corporate positions. I remember one specific season where I was working around the clock for a major corporation. I was putting together massive deals, negotiating complex terms, and bringing in clients that generated $2 to $4 million in pure revenue for that company. I was working myself to the bone, missing dinner with my kids and stressing out every single night. And guess what? When those multi-million-dollar deals closed, the corporation made a fortune, and I didn't see a single extra penny of that money in my paycheck. I was receiving my tiny, flat fraction of the value that I was actively creating. To make matters worse, in 2008, when the financial crash hit, that same corporation chewed me up and spat me out. Despite my education, despite my hard work, I was laid off. I went completely bankrupt and lost my personal real estate investments. I found myself completely broke, moving my young children and myself into my parents' basement, feeling like an absolute failure. Sitting in that basement, staring at my kids, I realized corporations did not care about my loyalty or my family's financial security. I had given them my best years and they dropped me without a second thought. That was the exact moment that I realized that independent business ownership wasn't the risky path. Staying a dependent employee was the real risk. So I stopped begging managers for promotions and started mastering corporate architecture. I set up my own LLC, I built business credit lines, and I started buying real estate from my own portfolio. The very first deals I closed for myself paid me more than an entire year of corporate slavery because I finally owned the asset. So if a bankrupt mom in a basement can create an exit strategy, yes, you can do it too. Now, here's the steps. Now, let's be clear. You are not just going to walk into your boss's office tomorrow and throw down a resignation letter. You have to have a plan. You must be strategic. Here is the exact 4-step protocol to transition out of a job and into your empire safely. Step 1, establish a parallel corporate foundation. Don't quit your day job yet. While your paycheck covers your living expenses, immediately register your independent business entity as an LLC or corporation. Set up a professional business address, an official corporate website, a dedicated business email, and an EIN to separate your business identity entirely from your personal identity. Step 2, unlock non-abusive business funding. Utilize your clean business entity to establish trade lines with Tier 1 commercial vendors like Uline and Granger. Pay invoices early to generate an exceptional corporate credit score. Then apply for high-limit, unsecured business lines of credit and 0% interest business credit cards that do not report to your personal consumer credit report. Step 3, deploy an evergreen cash flow vehicle. Inject your business credit into high margin, low barrier asset strategies like real estate wholesaling, fixing and flipping foreclosures, or short-term rentals. Focus exclusively on replacing your monthly W-2 take-home salary with predictable, automated business revenue. Step 4, execute a calculated resignation day. Once your consistent monthly business revenue matches or exceeds your employment income for 3 consecutive months, calculate your operational reserves. Formally present a professional resignation letter to your employer. Transition full-time into your CEO seat and scale your assets indefinitely. Hey, quick timeout. I know you're nervous about quitting your job and starting your own business. Let's talk about it in the comments section because everybody should quit their job and have their own business. So I want to talk about how you get that done. Let me get back to this. Listen to me closely. Your current job is just a temporary funding source for your ultimate destiny. Stop letting a predictable paycheck blind you from the massive wealth building opportunities that are available to you. Quitting your job will give you time. Literally, I used to work a job. I understand that we have bills and we think that getting that stable and consistent paycheck is not possible with a business, but that is the lie. You literally can make more money working in your own business than you can working for others, especially if you are highly paid. Think about it. I used to make $200,000 at the last job that I ever worked. Now I've never made less than $800,000 a year since I left corporate America. Think about that for a second. You literally can make more money when you own your time. It does take time, and you probably should start when you have a job so you have money. But the key is getting away from depending on others and creating your own streams of income. In fact, you can create multiple streams of income from one thing. Think about it. I have a YouTube channel, but I'm a real estate entrepreneur. So I have properties, I have long-term rentals, short-term rentals. I sell some of the properties. I have books, I have events, I have classes, I have coaching, I have courses, I have speaking engagements, I have affiliates, I have sponsorships, I have endorsements, literally multiple streams of revenue, all from me quitting my job. If I was tied to a job, I would have to go into their office. I would have to give them the best years of my life. I would have to dedicate time to that job. But now that I have my own business, I dedicate the best of me and my resources to myself. And that is what I'm telling you, you should be doing. You can learn this, and you do not have to be dependent on a job for money. In fact, you much rather have your time freedom. You can make way more money on your own, and you can own your own time. That is why I want you to understand this and watch this video again if you need to, because you can do it. I outlined the 4 steps for you. You can actually create an exit plan the same way that Noelle Randall did. And I have all of the resources to help you with this channel. All you have to do is subscribe. You can also get my millionaire book bundle for free at noellsbookoffer.com. And you can even get my new book that teaches you how to take any business and put it to a YouTube channel to create millions. My new book, YouTube Millionaire Secrets, is absolutely free at noellsnewbook.com. Go there right now. Why? Because I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the tools, and all of the resources that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success. Hey. All right. Thank you so much for staying to the end. If you want more help with quitting your job, I may be able to coach you, or you can take one of my classes. You can go to callnoelle.com and schedule a call with my team, and let's see if me and you can work together. All right. I'll see you in the next one.